Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. We are picking these cards. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I'll be picking one card for your love guidance and one card for your message from your person. We will see what are these cards as we proceed, Sagittarius. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity in your circumstances, you can watch that reading, Sagittarius. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a very good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fever. So you can contact her and she is a very good intuitive reader. So let's start with these cards for your general energies first. We have Sun, Nine of Pentacles and Star in reverse. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, maybe today you are quite, you are happy about something, maybe happy about the success you are seeing in your work or happy about the way things are in this relationship, and you are expressing your happiness to the people around you, maybe to your family or your friends or your colleagues. So you are happy about some good offers or opportunities in your life. And maybe for some of you, you may see something is not happening as expected. Maybe it may be some projects, you may see some difficulty. It may be something small, but you were hoping for a change or hoping for some better changes or some better offers to reach you. Or it may be your energy in this relationship. Maybe you are hoping for a change in the way things are going in this connection. Maybe this person is they are treating you in a bad way. They may be speaking to you harshly or they may be treating you arrogantly. And they are angry for some reason. We don't know what it is. Maybe you would have had some arguments or some stressful circumstances, the reason for the way things are going in this connection. But I also see that this circumstance is not going to last forever. It is going to change very soon. You will see major changes very soon, Sagittarius. So let's see what is the card for your love guidance. We have time to go. So maybe in this connection, this may be the time you may feel that this relationship is no longer useful to you. Maybe you are feeling really depressed or sad because of this person, because of the way they are towards you. Maybe the misunderstanding or arguments are the reason for this. And this card does not mean a breakup or a separation. It just means that you need to let go of that emotional attachment you have over this person and let go. If they love you, they will definitely come back to you. But if they do not, or if this relationship is not meant to be, they will just walk away. So there is some kind of a new beginning waiting to happen. So for that to happen, something must come to an end. That is the energy here. So, if you want a truly deep, meaningful, positive relationship, this may be the time for you to take a step back. That is the energy here with this card. So, let's see what is the message from your person. I just got sidetracked. So, maybe the reason this person is this way, maybe they may have a lot of distractions. Something is capturing their attention and it is distracting them away from this connection. That may be the reason we have these cards here. So that is the energy here, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Sagittarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's see what is the first card for you all. I will keep this card aside. For those who chose this card, Tamlin, Battle. So in your circumstances today, maybe you're facing lot of struggles, some difficult circumstances are there for you, or it may be for someone you love. But you are a person who is a strong, determined person. So if you make a choice, if you are in a relationship, you stand by this person you love and you support this person no matter what. So this may be your energy or your person's energy towards you. So they support you through thick and thin. Whatever happens, they stand by you and they want to stand by you because they are a trustworthy and reliable person. So maybe for some of you, you are involved in some kind of a lawsuit or some kind of a litigation, something really, something demanding your attention and something that is stressing you a lot. But you are a person who is strong, who is determined, or you have someone strong and determined standing by you, helping you out in this darkest moment of your life and making you feel better. So this person is a good friend and they are someone you can rely on. Or for some of you, you have a friend. It may not be your person, but it may be your friend, a close friend or a sibling who stands by you and who is here to help you through your hard times. And you will come out of this difficulty very soon, guys. That is also what I see. So this is just like some kind of a test or something that is happening to bring about some changes in you or bring about some changes in your circumstances. But these circumstances are not going to last forever. So you can be happy for that. So that is the energy here with this card, and this may be the time you have a lot of ideas, a lot of vision about your future, what needs to be done, and you will know what will work because you have a lot of experience now. So that is the energy here with this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, this is a Crystal Spirits card, guys. It says Rose Quartz. So the energy with this card, maybe in our life we often go through a lot. We face a lot of circumstances, different circumstances, and we often forget what we are, what is our worth, and how amazing we are. And this crystal spirit just reminds us that we are good enough, and we are good enough as we are. No need to change ourselves and no need to compare ourselves with someone else. So, we have our own inner strengths that will help us, that will, what to say, that will amplify our potential and our success, help us in our day to day work, help us to be strong, smart, playful, confident, whatever quality we have within ourselves. So we have everything we need, and we need not, what to say, yearn for something we are not, comparing ourselves with another person. So this crystal spirit card just shows us that we need, what to say, it just helps us to express love, and this love also includes self love. So we need to understand that each and every one of us are unique in our own way, and we are just enough as we are. So no need to feel sad or bad for what we are. So when we truly embrace our qualities, we are just going to shine through in our life. So that is the energy here with this card, guys. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.